Hi, I'm Stan.
And I'm Alex. And we are Parts Detect. Blockchain technology is here and is ushering in a new ecosystem of web technologies and standards.
Given the profound and far-reaching benefits of this technology, just about any app out there can be markedly improved by being placed on blockchain.
For example, Uber disrupted the transportation industry, and the blockchain version of that same service will disrupt Uber.
Why? Because a blockchain version of an app will help it improve in 6 critical ways.
The first 2 reasons are among the most important: privacy and security. Take, for instance, the millions of Uber accounts that were hacked recently as a recent example. If a comparable service would have been implemented with blockchain, it would have been nearly impossible to exploit the weaknesses that are commonly exposed by factors that software can't predict or control, like social engineering hacks.
The next advantage is the elimination of the single point of failure. In tech, a common phrase is a single source of truth, and it refers to the idea of somewhere in the system there is a source of data that can be trusted and acted upon by the rest of the components of the system. Well, if that single point is infiltrated, the trust is gone, and in turn, it becomes a single source of failure. Many times, this current practice is a primary incentive for malicious actors. With blockchain, this issue is overcome through disrupted ledgers and encryptions.
The next 2 advantages are reduced transaction times and fees, with the overall outcome of increased efficiency and lower cost of business for all involved.
Lastly, there is a disintermediation, essentially cutting out middle processes that will no longer be required due to the other advantages mentioned.
We created and launched the Parts Detect app 3 years ago to solve a frustrating and expensive problem in the automotive vertical. Auto technicians and mechanics burn precious time, money, and focus when trying to locate auto parts as they perform repairs and maintenance on your vehicle. This frustration and expense gets passed directly on to you, the customer. Taking your vehicle in for repairs or service is already frustrating enough. Parts Detect launched 3 years ago as an app. Mechanics and technicians now use this app to locate and order even the most rare and exclusive auto parts in just a few minutes. We have been a successful app for 3 years, and we have even formed successful partnerships with AutoZone and Advanced Auto Parts. But now, it's time to place our app on the blockchain for the reasons enumerated above. Once on the blockchain, Parts Detect will bear state-of-the-art technology, and we will be positioned to remain competitive for the next 5 years.
As Alex mentioned, mechanics and technicians already use our app to locate and order parts in just a few minutes from the nation's largest part vendors. Our migration to the blockchain will cost $5 million. We are raising this money through an initial coin offering, or ICO.
An ICO gives you a unique opportunity. ICOs are a new type of crowdfunding and a new version of fundraising. The benefits to those who purchase our utility token and participate in this fundraising can be substantial. Please visit the landing site you see here to contribute. Let's win together.